I'm going to jump straight in for these top tips for doing a short cruise. Firstly, try and find a Facebook page for people who are going on the same cruise as you. Just put it into the search. There are lots of people running these, and there are hundreds of people you will find going on the same trip as you for the same dates, who are already subscribed and become members. Everybody shares tips. You find out people who are like-minded like you, and you meet up on board, normally at the Sail Away. We had a ball. We're just a couple. There was just the two of us coming on this cruise. We like to chat and we like to meet people, but it was fantastic. Sail Away, we met all these people that we'd just made friends with on Facebook, and then we went with them constantly through the whole of the holiday. But it meant that when we went to do things like the quizzes or have a dance, we had people that we could go and join and say hi to. Fantastic. Another tip, next tip, get on the late check-in, as late as possible. No, as early. Wrong one. Next trip, get on the earliest embarkation that you can. Make the most use of everything. It's very slick to get on board. So make sure you have set up everything in your app so you can just go straight through the green lane and get through. As well as that, obviously try and get on the last disembarkation. Gives you a little bit more of a luxury. Get on the last disembarkation group. This will give you a more leisurely breakfast to wrap things up, wrap your holiday. It was a nice surprise that our medallions still worked in the mornings to get you coffees. That was still all included, to get you cafe coffees. So that was a good one. What else was there, Robert? You can check out your activities normally the day before on the app of the cruise ship. So check that out so that when you come on board, you know when the Sail Away is, and you know all the activities that you're going to do that night, so you can get that nicely prepared. Any other tips, Robert? I'd say make the most use of the your room service. That's very quick, really nice. When you just arrive and you're going to unpack your cases, room service will come again straight away. There was not that big panic of everybody trying to get to their rooms and running around like lunatics. It was just very calmly done and really nicely done. Anything else?
Check out the included dining options and try them all.
Yes, go to every restaurant. It's superb. And the paid for restaurants, sometimes in the lunchtime, will do part of the package. They change so that they give you a different option. We had one on this cruise that did fresh pizzas. My God, they were so good. And that was in the paid for restaurant, but it was included in the lunchtime. And I think that pretty much, I mean, you guys, you know, if you're on a cruise, do everything. Join in. Get in there, make the most of everything. But they were our top tips for this particular short mini cruise to make the most of it. Catch you later.